Today, I want to discuss the topic, why BRICS wants to replace the US dollar. Have you ever wondered why so many countries are suddenly talking about ditching the US dollar? What if I told you there's a powerful alliance trying to build a new financial world order? Welcome to today's World Affairs Update, where we uncover why BRICS wants to replace the US dollar. BRICS is a group of 5 major economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Together, they represent over 40% of the world's population and around 25% of the global economy. Recently, they've started working on a bold idea, creating their own currency for international trade. For decades, the US dollar has been the world's reserve currency. Almost 90% of international trade is done in dollars. But countries like Russia and China believe this gives the US too much power, especially through sanctions and control over the global banking system, is SWIFT. In 2025, BRICS is planning to launch a new payment system and shared digital currency. It may be backed by gold or other real assets. This would allow BRICS countries to trade directly without converting to dollars and reduce their dependency on Western financial systems. Experts are divided. On one hand, BRICS nations have strong economies and growing influence. But on the other, they face big challenges: different political systems, currency instability, and lack of global trust. The US dollar is still seen as stable and reliable, for now. If BRICS succeeds, it could change everything, from how we shop online to the value of our savings. A new financial world could emerge, with more power spread across the globe. Whether you support it or not, it's a story worth watching closely. What do you think? Can BRICS really take down the dollar? Or is this just a political move? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated with global news in simple English. See you tomorrow.